How to draw a lawnmower cutting grass. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by drawing a line going from left to right that will not be completely straight because it will be the bottom portion of the grass. Nicely done. Now we're going to begin to draw a few pieces of grass, although we're going to leave a couple big gaps so that we can draw the lawnmower. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video regularly, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now we're going to begin to draw our lawnmower, beginning with two circles for the wheels. We're going to begin with the first wheel on the left-hand side of the page. The right wheel, which is also the back wheel, will be a little bit bigger than the front wheel, which is also the left wheel. On the inside of each wheel, or circle that we draw, we'll add in a smaller circle on the inside. Now a little to the right, so we're going to begin to draw the second wheel, although this wheel will appear as if it is behind the piece of grass. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now we're going to begin to draw the body of the lawnmower. Beginning on the left-hand side of the left wheel, we'll go all the way up as well as back down, past the right wheel. Nice job! Now we're going to connect those two wheels by using a line going from left to right. So far this is coming along very well. For the next step, we're going to begin to draw the engine of our lawnmower, which will be right above that curved line that we previously drew together. We will first draw a shape that will look similar to a square. In the center of the square that we just drew, we'll draw a line going up and down in the center, along with a small square on the right hand side, along with three lines going from left to right on the left hand side. Now on the top of the engine that we previously drew, we're going to begin to draw a shape that looks similar to a curvy rectangle. On the top of this rectangular shape on the right hand side, we will draw a small square. This is great progress. Now we're all done drawing the body of our lawnmower. Next we're going to begin to draw the handle. We're going to begin right here on the right hand side on this curve, and we're going to draw a long oval. Now below and connected to the handle, we're going to begin to draw the back of the lawnmower. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. For the last step, we're going to go back and add in some more grass because we have a couple patchy spots that we did not fix with the lawnmower. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I'm sure you did a great job today, and also keep in mind that at the end of this video I'm going to show you a picture of this drawing colored in so you can pause the video and match your colors. I can't wait to draw with you next time, and if you have not yet liked this video, be sure to do so that other YouTube artists just like yourself can also draw this. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.